earbuds, let's talk about the Nothing Ear 2, because I have them. So let's start off with a nice little bit of ASMR. You ready? Well, that was disappointing. I'm just gonna have to rip the box open. And here we go. Let's try the ASMR again. And there we go. The Nothing Ear 2. These now have come with this little ear canal bud, rather than the ones that just sit in your ear. So, let's try it in. And there's 2. And before I listen to music, still in, absolutely feel safe as anything. But if you do struggle, they do come with some replacement sizes. You've got small, medium, large, and they sound sharp, bassy, clear, comfortable. And if I'm shouting, I'm sorry. But yeah, and you can obviously charge them in this little charge case, which is also very attractive. I don't think I've ever been disappointed by anything Nothing I've ever brought out or sent me. So yeah, check them out. Nothing Ear 2.